Hi, my name is Maggie Villette, and this is my assignment for Module 1. So, a little bit about me. I just finished my 9th year of teaching. I currently teach kindergarten. I've also taught first grade and English as a second language. I teach in a large school district in the Kansas City area. I have taught in 3 different school districts, but all of the schools have been Title I schools that I have taught at. I am married with 2 children. I have a 3-year-old girl named Mabel and a 6-month-old boy named Walter. I received my undergraduate degree from Kansas State University, and currently I am pursuing my library media specialist degree. A little bit about my district. I think my district is doing a much better job at using data to drive their instruction and make more informed decisions about teaching and learning. However, compared to other districts in the area, I feel like my district has been lacking in keeping analyzing and making decisions based on data. I believe that my district knows this as well, and so they have been implementing a lot of different things to help get them up to par with the other school districts in the area. So one of the things that the district has done, 3 years ago, they started implementing weekly PLC meetings to discuss data. So in those meetings, we have the grade level team, instructional coach, and innovative specialist, and we look at data and we'll make decisions about our instructions based on the data that we bring. We are also creating standards-based grading. Our school has been leading the way in that standards-based grading, and so we've been piloting some of the things that the district wants to do across the entire district, so that has been really exciting. We've also been creating common assessments to be used across the district, so the district has subject cohorts that are creating those assessments that we'll be using in the years to come. Personally, because I have only been at Title I schools, I feel like I have learned so much about data because data is so important and it's essential in order to make sure that our students are growing academically. And so I use lots of different forms of data throughout the day to help drive my instruction. So some of the things that I use are running records, the DIBELS assessment, the NWEA assessment, the PASSE progress check. So PASSE is phonemic awareness instruction that we do, and we will do weekly assessments to check to make sure that students are making growth, and that's really important in kindergarten. We do a lot of informal and formal assessments, and a lot of those assessments are taken one-on-one, and then the district also has a 1-to-1 ratio with technology, and the district requires that students use a reading and math application, and I like to pull data from those applications to help drive my instruction as well. So what I would like to learn from this course and what I would like to implement in the year to come, I want to be able to use Excel to track data, to color code and see student progression with my students. I've done this in previous school districts, and I want and it was required in my previous school districts. It hasn't been required in this school district, but I found so much value in it, and I would like to continue that. I also want to share data more frequently with families. I want to have students track their own growth to see their progress, and then as they see their progress, make their own goals tied to how they're doing. I also want to make sure that the assessments that I use and that the data that I take is aligned with the priority standards that the district has set forth, and that ties back to that standards-based grading that the district will soon be utilizing. So I am really excited to learn more through this course.